A former President Donald Trump is facing a fourth criminal indictment, this time in Georgia, where just last night a grand jury finished investigating interference with the 2020 election. Trump is charged with 13 counts in addition to racketeering. He's accused of soliciting a public officer to violate his oath, conspiring to commit forgery, and conspiring to file false documents. Local 5's Connor O'Neill joins us in the studio tonight to give us more context for this latest round of legal trouble for Donald Trump. Connor.
Well, Stephanie, Monday night's indictment against former President Trump means he's now facing 91 charges in total, and this could lead up to over 700 years behind bars if he's convicted of them all. The legal troubles continue to mount against former President Donald Trump, and Iowan Republicans aren't happy.
I think the liberals will do anything in their power to make sure that he's not going to be president of the United States.
After Monday night's indictment, Trump now faces 4 total, 2 at the state level and 2 at the federal level. District attorneys and the special counsel have indicted him in the classified documents case, hush money scheme, New York civil cases, and now this election interference case. Despite all the charges, can the former president still run for office? Well, the short answer is yes.
As a legal matter, Trump is still free to run for office. In fact, we've had incarcerated individuals running for office and sometimes elected.
And ISU professor Karen Kedrowski doesn't see Trump backing down from the presidential race either.
You would expect a candidate for the highest office in the land, when indicted, to withdraw because it would be for the good of the country and to focus on their own defense. Well, that's not happening.
Kedrowski believes if former President Trump withdrew from the presidential race due to these recent indictments, the public would see it as losing, and she thinks Trump doesn't want to be depicted as a loser. Yet, some Republicans believe these indictments won't hurt Trump.
I think he's going to be 100% fine. I mean, I think this is all gotcha. This is election interference, and ultimately it'll go to the U.S. Supreme Court and they'll throw it out. They probably won't even hear the case.
The district attorney bringing this latest case says she would seek a trial date within the next 6 months, which would further complicate Trump's legal calendar as he could face 4 separate criminal trials. And the Fulton County Sheriff's Office in Georgia says in the coming days it expects to book all 19 defendants, including former President Trump, at one of its county jails. Stephanie.